Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make undercut steak. First, select a high-quality cut and ensure it's at room temperature before cooking. Next, we'll prepare the steak by trimming any excess silver skin or fat, which helps with tenderness. Then, season generously with salt and pepper, allowing the flavors to penetrate. Finally, we'll discuss the best cooking methods to achieve a perfect, juicy finish every time. To begin, carefully remove any tough silver skin or excess fat from your undercut steak. This step is crucial for a tender result. Pat the steak completely dry with paper towels. Moisture prevents a good sear. Now, season both sides generously with coarse salt, freshly ground black pepper, and any other desired spices. Let the seasoned steak rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes before cooking. This allows the seasoning to penetrate and ensures even cooking. For a perfect sear, heat a heavy-bottomed pan, like cast iron, over medium-high heat until it's smoking slightly. Add a high smoke point oil, such as avocado or grapeseed. Carefully place your steak in the hot pan and sear for 3 to 4 minutes per side for a beautiful crust and medium-rare doneness. For added flavor, you can baste with butter, garlic, and fresh herbs during the last few minutes of cooking. Use a meat thermometer to confirm your desired internal temperature. Once your undercut steak is cooked to perfection, it's vital to let it rest. Transfer the steak to a cutting board and tent it loosely with foil for 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Finally, slice the steak against the grain into desired thickness. This technique breaks up the muscle fibers, making the steak much easier to chew and enjoy. Serve immediately and savor your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.